Hello, I am Mrs. Urrutia, and I absolutely love teaching third grade at Altaloma Christian School. We are not just a school. We are a diverse family that supports creative learning and a collaborative environment. Students have the opportunity to discover, to inquire, to learn new skills every single day. Each day we consider new possibilities and new solutions, and we develop our critical thinking skills. We have the opportunity to integrate our Christian faith with 21st century technology, and we equip our students to lead the way in our world. What I love most about third grade is watching students discover and grow in confidence and understanding in who God created and purposed for them to be. Learning then becomes an exciting new adventure that each and every student gets to participate in. In third grade, we emphasize creative learning. We practice marshmallow math. We make craters and constellations. We even play foil basketball. We make ecosystems using Google Slides and hyperdocs of our solar system. We read about our history and we consider its influence on our tomorrows. We don't just study electricity, we consider alternative sources to power our world. Understandably, this year has been like no other. Students are learning in the middle of a pandemic. But what's really incredible about this group of kids, they're not trying to catch up in learning. They're excelling in learning. They are not unaffected by the pandemic, but they're choosing not to be limited by the pandemic. They are choosing to learn, to grow, to excel, and to be creative in their learning, to find new solutions and new ideas, and to pursue those opportunities and those pathways. They enjoy putting ideas together and solving problems. They are an awesome group of creative problem solvers. Please feel free to check out our Google website and see all the work and exciting learning opportunities our students have had. I'm available if you have any questions at all. I pray you will consider making Altaloma Christian School your home and becoming a part of our family. I am so very thankful that I did. God bless you.